Pinning the Future Review. Tired of struggling, wasting money and time making pins that only get a trickle of views and a few pitiful sales? You don't have to. Tired of paying for ads that don't bring you sales? Nobody has time for that. Tired of waiting months to make your first shop, planner, printable, affiliate visitors to see your beautiful offers? You don't have to. This is your answer. Relief. I want to be able to sit down and 15 minutes later and potentially see my pins get hundreds of views, have the opportunity to get new subscribers to my blog, my shop, or my affiliate links before I create one more Pinterest pin, because I'm smart that way. Introducing Pinning the Future. In this all-new video masterclass, you will discover how Becky and Kristie are getting literally hundreds, thousands of views within 12 hours, that sometimes grow to thousands of views for a new pin. We've spent hours scouring Pinterest, listening to Pinterest experts, and trying out this and that strategy to test for ourselves what really works. We were determined to find the best of the best tips to bring us hundreds, thousands, millions, for Becky, of visitors to our pins. And more visitors has brought us both more sales. Now, you can discover those hidden away Pinterest tips without spending hours figuring all of this out alone at your computer. Yes. What if you could finally know exactly what to do step by step to get people to see your planners, printables, courses, or affiliate links by simply uploading your gorgeous Pinterest pins? And what if you didn't have to worry about sales pages, or complicated email sequences? Say WHAATTT. Did you know that there are many bloggers who are making income from pinning on Pinterest? You betcha. But did you also know that you do not have to blog to use Pinterest? Really? Really? In our newest Pinning the Future masterclass video, you'll discover exactly how both Becky and Kristie, Pinterest lovers, do their weekly pinning. Why? At the end of the day, there is a special recipe that makes all the difference of falling in love with Pinterest, or slamming your laptop shut in total frustration, because you just can't figure it out. We hear you. We've been where you are and we know what that feels like. So, Becky and I put our best tips and newest strategies of what is working right now in Pinterest, then we sat down and recorded it all for you. In this video training we call Pinning the Future, we will show you how to find insider's tips to what Pinterest is saying, and how we leverage this ginormous search engine to bring boatloads of traffic and potential sales to our shops and websites. You may be wondering, but do you have to have a website to do this? Nope. Do you have to have prior experience to do this? Nope. Do you have to have your own products to do this? Nope. So you do this with your affiliate links too. Yes. Woohoo. Who wants to see Pinning the Future? Starting now. But first, go grab your latte and popcorn. Wait. You don't want to wait months or even years to get visitors to see your shop, your blog, or your affiliate links. Us either. You don't want to try to figure out another minute what people are loving on Pinterest and clicking through to see more? You don't want to contact group board members who may or may not answer you, while others are getting thousands of views with no ads? Us either. You don't want to wait months or even years to get enough views to get new subscribers and potential sales from your gorgeous printables, planners, products, courses, ebooks, or affiliate links. Heck, no. You just want a thorough video mastermind with 2 successful Pinterest pinners who love and support their subscribers for crying out loud? Then, this is perfect for you. So, here's your easy-peasy plan of attack. 1. Watch the Pinning the Future video case study, 75 minutes long, chock full of golden tips. 2. Make your pin. 3. Upload it to Pinterest the way you see Becky and I describe it in the masterclass video. Hint, Becky gets 50 new subscribers and hundreds of weekly printable sales a week from doing this. Be ready when your customers visit you through your amazing Pinterest pins. Hint, you can do this without a blog. You have a life after all, and Becky and I just want to give a person what they are looking for, while paying our bills with our online sales from our hard work. If this sounds like you too, we hear you. This is exactly what we do every day. Now, it's your turn. Download the Pinterest Pinning the Future Masterclass video plus 2 awesome bonuses, and let's get started. Now, you are about to begin on the same journey we've been on, and we are so thankful we did. Our biggest mistake in the beginning? We didn't know for certain how to use the newest keyword tips that would bring in thousands of free views and potential sales. But now you can learn from our road of sweat and tears, late nights of trying this and that, and be light years ahead of everyone else, by using these awesome Pinterest tips to get you hundreds, thousands of views. Truth, you only really need at least one good pin to get you started to see how fast Pinterest can bring you in visitors. It's a rush. Plus, these are those luscious tips you see buried inside of expensive courses all over Pinterest, but at a fraction of the cost, with tips and bonuses that you can begin with tonight. Here is a portion of Kristie's earnings from using Pinterest as a major source of traffic in the printables niche for 2021. Thanks for watching this video, and for more info on pinning the future review, check out the link in the description.